Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix my mic picks up all the game sounds in game on Discord, and I just want to pick up my mic. Right, so the first step what you need to do here on Discord, you just need to press on the gear icon, then go to voice and video here and make sure the right microphone is selected, of course. Make sure noise echo cancellation is selected here, and also noise suppression is selected as crisp here. Then you need to look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you just need to go to sound settings. Then on sound settings, you need to scroll down until you see more sound settings. Then you need to find your basically device, right click on it, go to properties, enhancements. If you don't have enhancements, I will show you later what you need to do here in order to enable it. But what you need to do here is on enhancements, you need to just disable them all and apply the changes. If you don't have enhancements tab, you just need to go to device manager. On device manager, you need to look for audio devices, sound, video, and game controllers. Expand this option here. Look for Realtek audio. Right click on it, disable device. And once the device is disabled, do not restart your computer. Just right click again. Update driver, browse my computer for drivers, let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then select high definition audio device, install drivers, restart your computer, and then audio enhancements will be there, and then you can just disable all the options there. Also, I forgot to mention two other options. What you need to do here on Discord, you just need to press the gear icon again. Go to voice and video, and on voice and video you need to scroll down a bit until you see, as you can see here, it should be audio subsystem. It's on automatic, but make it on standard, and then look if the problem persists or not. Also, if you see on audio enhancements tab, acoustic echo cancellation, make sure to select that option and then apply the changes, and also it should work. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.